5 NASDAQ stocks almost nobody is talking about right now in June 2026. Not in the popular videos, not on Reddit. All verified prices, revenues, histories, no company name or ticker until the full story is told first. Real investors understand the business before the price tag. Stay to the end because number one has been hiding in plain sight for years, and almost nobody has noticed. Let us start with number 5. So stock number 5. Think about a cancer researcher who needs to identify 30, 40, even 50 biological markers on a single cell at the same time. That was impossible until one company in California built a technology called full spectrum profiling, capturing the complete light spectrum from a cell rather than just a few wavelengths. Universities, hospitals, and pharmaceutical companies worldwide use their machines. By end of 2025, over 3,600 instruments were globally installed. Full year 2025 revenue was $201 million. Time magazine named them to its America's Growth Leaders list for 2026. The stock once traded at $28 and now sits near $3.77. Ticker CTKB. The company is SciTech Biosciences Inc., listed on NASDAQ. Moving to stock number 4 now, and this one involves the man who created one of the most famous television networks in history, walked away from it, and started over with something completely new. Let me tell you that story. So stock number 4. Imagine being the creator of the Discovery Channel, one of the most recognized television networks on Earth. Then in 2015 you ask, what if someone built the Netflix of documentaries? Just the best factual content on demand. That is what this person did. The platform they built now streams in over 175 countries. Revenue grew 40% to $71 million in 2025. The company pays a quarterly dividend. The CEO has been buying shares personally. In 2026, the company began licensing its content library for AI training data, a brand new revenue stream. Barrington analysts have a $5 price target. The stock currently trades near $2.50. Ticker Curai. The company is Curiosity Stream Inc., listed on NASDAQ. And now on to stock number 3, a real estate technology company that just announced one of the biggest mergers in the entire property industry this year. The stock is under $2. Keep watching. So stock number 3. Real estate agents typically give 30% of every commission to their brokerage. A company in Toronto decided to change that. They built a fully digital brokerage with no offices, lower splits, and an AI platform called Leo giving agents real-time support. Within 10 years, they had over 30,000 agents across the US and Canada. Q1 2026 revenue grew 32% to $465 million. In April 2026, they announced the acquisition of Re/Max Holdings in a deal worth $880 million. Analysts rate it a strong buy with an average target of $5.90. Current price near $1.65. Ticker REAX. The Real Brokerage Inc. listed on NASDAQ. And stock number 2 is something very different. A company that is building directed energy weapons for the US military. No bullets, no explosives, just light used as a weapon. Here is the full story. So stock number 2. Missiles cost millions each. Drones and threats are getting cheaper every year. The math does not work. A company in Tucson, Arizona, founded in 2002, built the answer. Ultra-short pulse laser systems that neutralize targets at a fraction of conventional weapons cost. The US Army and Air Force have tested their technology. The company is completely debt-free. The directed energy weapons market is projected to surpass $30 billion in the coming decade. The stock hit 63 cents last year and has been climbing back toward $2 on fresh defense contract interest. Ticker AREG. Applied Energetics Inc., listed on NASDAQ. And now here we are at stock number 1. This is a beauty company that most men have never heard of but millions of women use every single day, trading near $1.50. And the story behind it is remarkable. So stock number 1. One brand is a dermatologist-founded skincare line recommended by doctors for over 30 years, sold in more than 70 countries. The other is a cult makeup brand loved by beauty editors and celebrities for its clean formulas and bold packaging. In 2021, someone brought both brands under one roof, took the company public on NASDAQ, and built a global beauty platform. Combined 2025 revenue was $272 million. In Q1 2026, the skincare brand alone generated $40 million in revenue. The global beauty industry is worth over $600 billion and growing. Revenue guidance was raised for the year. Analyst price targets range from $3 to $5, current price near $1.50. The 52-week high was $3.48. Ticker WALD. The company is Walden Cast plc. The brands are Obagi Medical and Milk Makeup, listed on NASDAQ. 5 NASDAQ stories nobody else is covering. Cytek Biosciences mapping individual cells with technology that changed research forever. Curiosity Stream streaming to the world while licensing content for AI and paying a dividend. The Real Brokerage rebuilding real estate with AI and now acquiring Re/Max. Applied Energetics building directed energy weapons the military urgently needs. And Walden Cast owning 2 beloved beauty brands at a fraction of their real worth. All high risk. Do your own research. Hit like, subscribe and comment below. Which one had you never heard of before today? This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. These stocks carry extreme risk and you could lose all your money. Always consult a qualified financial professional before investing. Past performance does not guarantee future results.